point it is given, they have 3 germ layers. So this Helminthes parasite, they will have 3 layers in which their body structure will have 3 layers. Some they have 2 layers and some they have 3 layers. So 3 layer parasite, they are known as tripoblastic metazoa is the kingdom of animal which are multicellular. Okay, so those 3 layers, they are ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. I think you have come across this: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. The innermost layer is known as ectoderm layer, the middle layer is known as the mesoderm layer, and the outermost is known as the innermost is known as the endoderm. Ectoderm means outside, which is the outermost layer, and the middle layer is known as the mesoderm. Just for your knowledge, I'm telling you about this. Okay, so remember that Helminths are multicellular. They are mirror image to each other. They are long and they might be flat or round in shape, and they have 3 layers, which so they are termed as tripoblastic metazoa. Metazoa is the animal kingdom in which the multicellular animals are differentiated. It is a kingdom. Okay. Are you clear with the definition? Okay. So what is the classification of Helminths? Okay. Okay. Another word about Helminths. Helminths is derived. Can you please off your video, because network is very bad. Helminths, they are derived from Greek word Helminthes. The spelling here is Helminthes, but it is derived from Greek word which is Helmins, Helminths, which originally means intestinal worms. Okay, but these Helminths are does not include only intestine worms, but it is comprised of our tissue parasite as well as free living species. Okay, the original term is derived from Greek word Helminths, Mins. Okay, it's Helmins, which originally means intestinal parasite, but it includes not only intestinal parasite but also tissue parasite and other free living species. Okay, that is also one point that you should remember. And see, now comes to the classification of Helminths. Helminths is classified into platyhelminths and nematyhelminths. Platyhelminths are flat. They are flat in structure, and under these platyhelminths, see, I gave you the table of the classification of parasite. If you go through that, under helminths, it is I gave cystodes, trematodes, and nematodes. Okay, so this, but under helminths, it comes again platyhelminths and uh, nematyhelminths. So these platyhelminths, under platyhelminths are the cystodes and trematodes. Okay, so these are flat in structure. These are flat in structure, and nematohelminths are round in structure. Okay, and in platyhelminths, they are like tapeworm, okay, flukes, and in nematohelminths they are round worms. Okay, they are round in shape, but in flat helminths they are flat worms. Okay, as the name suggests, platyhelminths flat and nematohelminths, they are round in structure. We will discuss in detail about the difference of. So under platyhelminths, you know that under flatworms or platyhelminths, under this there are cystodes and trematodes. Okay, and under nematyhelminths, there are nematodes, roundworm or nematodes. Here it is given in the third point. So that is the classification of helminths. Okay, is it clear till that? Any doubt? Any doubt? Are you guys there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you repeat the classification?
Okay, so under helminths, they are classified into platyhelminths and nematihelminths. Platyhelminths are flat in structure and nematihelminths are round in structure. And again, under platyhelminths, there are sub classes which are uh, cystodes and trematodes. And under nematihelminths, there are nomatodes. Understand? And we will study all the three differences. Under platyhelminths, there are cystodes and trematodes, and under nematohelminths, there are nematodes. So we will study the difference of all these three different types of helminths. Understand? Always, you just know that platyhelminths, there are cystodes and trematodes. Under nematohelminths, they are nematodes. Nematohelminths means under that there is nematodes, platyhelminth, cystodes, and trematodes. And platyhelminths, they are flat, and nematohelminths, they are roundworms. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we'll move to what, let's see the difference of all these cystodes, nematodes, and trematodes. Okay. Okay. So we will study the difference between cystode, trematodes, and nematodes. Cystodes and trematodes, they are under platyhelminths, and nematodes, they are under what? They are under what? Just now we studied cystode and trematodes, they are under platyhelminths, and nematodes, they are under what?
Nematohelminth.
Nematohelminths. Okay, good. So now we will study the difference. The difference of these three in the shape of their body is cystodes, they are tape-like structure. Tape-like structure means, have you seen measuring tape? Have you seen measuring tape?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
From it is divided into section, right? 1, 2, be it centimeter or millimeter, they are divided into section, right? So cystodes, they look like tape, okay? They are divided into segments. And trematodes, they are leaf-like structure, okay? Their structure is like a leaf. And in nematodes, they are long and they are round in shape. As we already explained before, nematohelminths are round. So they are long and they are cylindrical in shape, okay? That is the difference of these three. Cystodes, they are segmented and they are tape-like, and trematodes, they are leaf structure, okay? And nematodes, they are long and they are round in shape. So what is the difference in their body structure? Like I already said, they are segmented, and trematodes and nematodes, they are unsegmented. That means they are plain, okay? They are not segmented like tape-like. They don't have any segment, okay? Sexes. So in cystodes, they are monoecious. Monoecious means both male and female organelles are present in cystodes, in one organism, okay? In cystode organism, both male and female sexual organelles are present. But in trematodes, they are separated, okay? They are separated. Okay, sorry, in cystodes and trematodes, they are not separated, but in nematodes, they are separated. They are both monoecious, okay? Cystodes and trematodes, since they are under one platyhelminths, they are under one parasite, they, even cystodes also, trematodes also, both are monoecious, okay? So they are not separated. Both male and female sex organelles are present in one body, okay? But in nematodes, they are separated. The female parasite is separated and the male uh, sexes is separated. So if both the sex organelles are present in one body, it is known as monoecious, which is present in cystodes and tromatodes, and in nematodes there are the female is different and the male is different, like human being. Okay, that is dioecious. Okay, so what is the structure of the head? The head look like it contains sucker and often with hook. I will show you in the next diagram. And in tromatodes it contains suckers but does not have hook. Okay, but in nematodes both sucker and hook are present. Here the next sentence, okay, I've already mosaic it. You don't have to take this. Okay, this is BSc 1, so you don't have to take this. You just have to write in cystode it contains sucker and hook also, and in tromatodes it contains sucker but does not have hook, but in nematodes there's sucker and hook. Both the sucker and the hook are absent. Now the body cavity. In cystodes and tromatodes, they don't have any proper body cavity. Okay, they don't have any proper body shape. But in nematodes, they have a proper body, means they have the head, they have the head, they have the neck, and they have a proper body shape. Okay, alimentary canal. In cystodes, their alimentary canal is absent. They don't have any alimentary canal. What is an alimentary canal? What is an alimentary canal? What is Have you ever heard of digestive system? Have you heard of digestive system? If you don't talk, I won't continue the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why everyone is keeping quiet and I have to wait for like 5 minutes to get the response? So alimentary canal means it is a muscular cell in which it connects from the mouth to the anus, right? So in cystodes, there is no alimentary canal, and in trematodes, it might be present or it might be present or it might not be present, but it might be incomplete. It might be present, but it might not be completed. Okay, that means it might not get connected from the mouth to the anus, but incomplete alimentary canal might be present. Okay, but in nematodes, since here see check the body cavity portion. In nematodes, it is present. The body cavity is present, right? And they are unsegmented and they have a proper body shape. So even the alimentary canal is present. It is properly present and it is complete. Okay? Understand? Till that it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is this? As I said, it is tape-like structure. What was that? Tape-like structure. What was the parasite which looked like tape-like structure?
Cystodes.
Cystodes. Okay, so we will study, what was the classification that we studied? Platyhelminths and nematohelminths, right? But in your syllabus, it is given to study about the platyhelminths. So under platyhelminths, as I've already said, there is cystodes and trematodes. Okay, so here is also same only whatever we have already studied in the differences. They are flat, they are leaf-like structure or tape-like structure, and they are segmented. They are segmented like this. Okay, so as you have already seen the hook at the top of the head, it is the hook, right? And you can see that it is tape like structure. They are segmented. And see, look at this portion. Can you see testis is also there, vagina is also there, genital pore, sperm duct. So both the male and female sex organelles are present in platyhelminths. That is why it is known as they are monoecious. Okay, so in platyhelminths, both the male and female sex organelles are present. Fine. monoecious. Okay, and alimentary canal, their alimentary canal is incomplete. They body cavity absent. See. See, since they are segmented, they don't have a they are segmented and they are divided into sections. They don't have any proper body shape, okay? Or we cannot say that they don't have any proper digestive system in which it connects from the mouth to the anus, okay? So in platyhelminths, they don't have any proper alimentary canal. But in some parasite under platyhelminths, the alimentary canal might be present, but it is incomplete. But in case of nematohelminths, their body shape and their alimentary canal is complete. Okay, so here, same as here, in nematohelminths, they are elongated, cylindrical, and unsegmented body. Sexes are separated and alimentary canal is complete. Body cavity is present. See, this is nematohelminths. They are elongated and they are round, right? And they have a proper body shape in which it connects from the mouth to the anus. This is the anus. But in case of platyhelminths, they don't have any proper body shape and they are segmented. And here, the male is different. In nematohelminths, the male structure is always shorter than the female structure. This is a very important point. Okay, under nematohelminths, they have a proper body shape and they have proper alimentary canal. They have a proper digestive system which connect from the mouth to the anus. It is given here, and the female is always longer than male. You can see the difference, right? This is elongated and they are round in shape, but here they are unsegmented, they are segmented and they are flat in shape, and both the sexes are present. But in case of nematohelminths, they are round and male is different and female is different. And always know that male nematohelminths are always shorter than female. Understood? Understood till that?
Yes.
So in this topic, what you have to know is the definition of helminths. So the study of all these, okay, the study of cystodes, nematodes, and nematodes, the study of all these is known as helminthology. Helminthology, okay, which is in your syllabus, helminthology. So you understood properly the difference between platyhelminths and nematohelminths. This is same as which is given in the differences. There are few general characteristics like in platyhelminths. Since in your syllabus you studied the notes of this, okay, I'll give you later in your syllabus. Since it's given the general structure of platyhelminths, I just gave this, okay. Long segmented and tape-like, and they are flat, okay. Size vary from few millimeters to several meters, means they might be in millimeters also, which might get extended to meters. Okay, head is provided with sucker. Sucker means here. See, this sucker. Okay, what is the function of this sucker in platyhelminth? This sucker will get attached to the host. Okay, parasite, they depend upon the host. Yes or not? They depend upon the host. So this sucker, it will get attached with the host and the parasite will live onto the host. That is the function of the sucker. Okay. And they are cup shape. As you can see, the structure here, it is like cup shape and sometimes with hook attached. You can see the hook at the bottom of it. This is the hook. Okay, there are three regions in adult worms in which it is the head, the neck, and the body, and consists of segments. They are segmented. See, these are platyhelminths. Oh, which one did I say that it is leaf-like structure and which one did I say that it is uh, tape-like structure? Leaf-like structure is the which one? Dermatodes. Okay, so here this is the liver fluid in which you'll know in detail later. So now at first when we studied about the definition, it is given bilaterally symmetrical. Bilateral symmetrical means if you cut in this area, this section you will get the similar, if you cut here in middle, you get this area and this area similar, mirror image to one another. That is known as bilaterally symmetrical. This is cystodes, sorry, the tapeworm is the cystodes and this is tape-like structure and this is the trematode, okay, which is leaf-like structure. So I'll give you the notes of this. You kindly print it out and study, okay. The last picture is not clear, so I'll give you the separate picture about this. Okay, is it clear till that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt? I'll give you the structure of the sex organelles. Okay, that is very important. I'll give you a separate picture. In this slide, it is not showing and I'm having network issues. So I'll give you a separate slide in your WhatsApp group. Okay. So kindly give your attendance to your CR. Don't give in the chat box, give to your CR. CR is there. CR is absent.